Okay, I'm going to do a quick video on repairing my waders using the Loon UV wader repair. This stuff is super cool. So what I have here are my Sims waders. Now there's a way with Sims waders that you can find pinhole leaks using rubbing alcohol. This leak is much bigger than that. That's not going to be necessary. So I started noticing some water coming in about in my left hip, and it was really easy to spot. Somehow maybe I was cutting a sandwich in half with a sandwich. Or with a knife or something like that, and I made a cut in my waders right there. So this stuff's really neat because it doesn't dry real fast. It's UV activated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put just a thin layer just like that right here. And it doesn't need to be real thick, but this stuff is not going to dry because I'm down here in the basement where there's no sunlight. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm even going to just use my finger and I'm going to cover up that slit just like that. And then what I can do is I can actually take and stuff is really, it's not a nasty chemical. It's really easy to work with. I'm going to go ahead and look on the inside, and sure enough, look, I can see that hole on the inside right there. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to put a little glue just like that right there. Okay. Seal it on the inside and the outside. Let me put the cap on. And it's not like a super glue. Put the cap on, it doesn't glue itself shut. I could use that again. So now we're going to go ahead and come outside, and we're just going to get in the sunlight. And we're going to go ahead and put it right there in the sun and let the outside cure first. And it cures so fast. Takes a little bit longer if it's cloudy, but I can see that actually drying right there before my very eyes. And essentially dry right now, and it's a flexible product. And let me open up the inside here. Where's my inside repair? There it is right there. And oh, that sun just got a little brighter. That's already dry. So that's just repairing waders live on video. You're gonna get nicks and cuts in your waders eventually, but that Loon UV wader repair is super easy to work with. If that doesn't completely patch it, I can use the Sims Gore-Tex repair kit and actually cut a patch. I don't have time to do that this morning. I gotta go guide, and I gotta fix that leak and get on with life. So hopefully that's helpful. There's a link to the product in the video description.